Some time ago I bought a cheap spoon carving knife out of curiosity. It waited several years before its first use. Today its day finally came. I started by removing the larger pieces of material with hatchet. I choose willow wood. It's not really suitable for anything particularly useful, so I decided it would be perfect for this project. A risk-free way to practice carving spoons without wasting a valuable piece of wood. Willow is soft and brittle, so carving went smoothly, but I had to be careful the whole time not to break the spoon by accident. I didn't have any particular shape in mind for the spoon. The design took shape as I went, with every cut of the knife. The wood had been cut only recently, so before I could finish shaping it, it needed to dry a bit more. I decided to speed up the process by leaving it on a south-facing windowsill. After a few days, I could begin the final surface, finishing it with sandpaper. To protect the wood, I used a hard wax oil, which, according to the label, is safe for contact with food. I'm not sure whether it's actually suitable for a spoon, but I don't plan to eat with it anyway. The wood is soft enough that I could accidentally bite a piece off. Following the instructions on the container, I applied 2 coats and finally polished the surface to create the final finish. This is the first spoon I've made using a dedicated spoon carving knife. This is how the finished result turned out.